Okay, good. All right, let's give this a whirl. See what we can come up with. We're about finished, folks. This one's going down for the last few strokes, and then that would be the end of this lesson. And I've got a little bonus for you at the end of this series. I've got a couple of extra little ideas I want to share with you, so don't go away yet. Stay tuned. Yeah, stay tuned. Alright, I moved all my tools over here for some reason. Actually, what happened is I got caught up in another project that I was working on, so I had to put this one off to the side. Okay, we're right here at the finish of this one, and what I wanted to show you was that we're going to use our V-tool, if I can find it. V-tool, where did you go? Ah, there it is. I have got almost too many chisels I have. Now what we're going to do with the V-tool, remember I told you earlier we're going to carve right up to the bottom of the lip here. So I'm taking my V-tool, and this is a 12/6, and gives you the idea of the size. And we're going to carve the hair of his beard into the bottom part that we created earlier. And because this is a piece that's got this piece of bark here has an exposed piece of weathered area right here in the middle of his beard. So we're going to use that, I think. I think we're going to put that into the carving as a showpiece rather than try to carve around it, or rather than try to hide it. And so we're going to carve right here up to his beard. Now you'll notice that what I'm carving, I'm not carving straight lines. I carve little curved lines that wiggle back and forth, and you want to do that because that's the way beards grow, huh? He's a wild mountain man. That's right. And then we give a little curve to the beard like this, a little curve in the opposite direction like that, and you see that this just starts creating itself. Now I've got a light up here. I'm going to try to move this light for you and try to give you some shadows on this. See if you can see some shadows. There, how's that? That gives you a little bit of shadow. There. See the difference there? And while these lines are not very deep, when you hold them up to the light, they create all kinds of shadow. And I'm here to tell you that probably half of the impression that people will get from your carving is not the carving itself, it's the shadow that you create. And you'll learn how to do that. In fact, what we may do is go into that in some detail in another series, rather than trying to give it all to you today. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this like this. And sometimes what I'll do is I will combine several hair in the beard together. I'll run them together, like two pieces will run together like that, and it looks more natural, because you know a regular beard is not perfectly one hair beside the other, and you want to emphasize that on these carvings. There you go. See, that looks nice. That is a beautiful, beautiful wood spirit there. Okay. Make sure that lip is well defined. There you go. Now, He looks very, very close to being done. Very close. And what we did earlier is carve this mouth pretty deep, and that looks good. You want to make sure that the mouth is deep enough so it looks like his mouth is open and his teeth are protruding out of his mouth. You see we've got bottom teeth here and a big set of top grindy teeth. That's the way we like to see it. And I think you'll enjoy carving these little guys. There's really not much to them once you've gotten the hang of it. And what you need to remember is to go deep. You always want to carve as deep as you can without ruining it. I guess that's the trick, isn't it? Okay. Now the last thing that I do is, because these are little wood spirits that I sell for a few dollars each, and I try to carve them as quickly as possible, as I use